Using my Minda Magician X to print this part for a bubble tea cup sealing machine, and this is the cup centering part, which allows for the machine to know where the cup is and to apply the seal on top. It happens at 180 degrees, I've been told, so yeah, that's all good. This is a 100% infill, aka there is no infill, it's literally all walls to make it nice and sturdy. Yeah, so far so good. So this is what I got from the printer. It's really nice and shiny, and it has a little extra groove I've added because this is my design. I got the original one and I decided to make a few modifications. I made the walls slightly thicker, and this top bit is like 2.4 millimeters, which is also much thicker than the original. And there's also a little lip sticking out, like 1.5 millimeters, to guide the bottle more, not the bottle, the cup that goes in even better, so it's nice and centered. And this has been running in production now for, I don't know, a week. So apparently they've been working just fine. And for your entertainment, now here is an actual live video how it works and what it does. Okay, go. Oh, that's perfect. Cheers.